everyone! In this opportunity, we would like to present a video about business negotiation. Before you watch the video, we would like to introduce ourselves first. My name is Anida Hairunisa as the Managing Director of Lescopec Production.
I am Alvina Damayanti as Chief Creative Content Director of Upin Ipin.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Ali Akbar as Managing Director of MNC Picture.
And then, my name is Pikas Pradipta Utama as Executive Producer of MNC Pictures. So, please enjoy the video. Budget and revenue negotiation between Lescopec Production and MNC Pictures. Introduction. MNC Pictures is a soap opera and film production house that is part of the Media Nusantara Citra Group, the largest media group in Indonesia. It includes RCTI, MNC TV, GTV, iNews, MNC Channel, The F-Thing, Star Media Nusantara, MNC Play, Sindo News, Koran Sindo, Okezone, MNC Vision, Hits Records, MeTube, MNC Network, and dozens of other radio stations which spread through Indonesia. One of the children's animated television series at MNC Pictures, MNC TV, is Upin and Ipin. Upin and Ipin cartoon is influential in the archipelago, especially in Malaysia and Indonesia. To create a different feel, MNC Pictures decided to collaborate with an MSG-based 3D animation production organization based in Malaysia, namely Lescopec Production, for the screening of a special animated film entitled Upin and Ipin the Movie Keris Siamang Tunggal in Indonesia cinemas.
Situation. Last month, Lescopec Production Sendirian Berhad offered a partnership to MNC Pictures. Lescopec Production is a 3D animation production organization with MNC status that does not only work on animation, but also a full-fledged creation organization that also involves idea creation, sound recording, and post-publishing that comes with the animation work. After the discussion, we want to meet with the leadership of Lescopec Production, and we sent the managing director of MNC Pictures and the executive producer of MNC Pictures, with the hope the company can offer interest in screening the film Upin and Ipin the Movie Keris Siamang Tunggal in Indonesian cinemas. After negotiation, the Lescopec Production Company and MNC Pictures agreed to hold an agreement to meet at Westin Hotel, Jakarta on Saturday, the 4th May 2019 at 10 p.m. until finish. This meeting was attended by the Managing Director of MNC Pictures, Executive Producer of MNC Pictures, Managing Director of Lescopec Production, and Chief Creative Content Director of Upin Ipin.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
First of all, I would like to thank you for coming the representative of Lescopec Production in our company. Let me introduce myself. I'm Muhammad Al Akbar as the Managing Director of MNC Pictures, and my colleagues, Pikas Pradipta Utama as the Executive Producer of MNC Pictures.
It is a great opportunity for us to take part in this meeting. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Anida Hairunisa as the Managing Director of Lescopec Production, and my colleague Alvina Damayanti as the Chief Creative Content Director of Upin Ipin. I hope after this meeting, there will be cooperation between our companies.
All right, to shorten the time, let's start the meeting in this morning about the screening of Upin and Ipin the movie at Indonesian cinemas.
Previously, has MNC Pictures received a cooperation request from Lescopec Production in the form of a proposal and a catalog?
Yes, we have received and read the proposal and also look at the catalog that your company has submitted. In Indonesia, Upin and Ipin animation is very popular among children because the story is interesting and educational.
Seeing this opportunity, we over Upin and Ipin the movie, which is different from TV version. This time, Upin Ipin adventures will be more exciting, where they are carried away on a mission to save a kingdom called Indraloka from the threat of King Arsyong, who wants to dominate it.
Yes, I think in this story, the plot that delivers is the same as what have been shown in the regular screening. However, after research, it turned out that the screening presented a different story, namely the concept of adventure. What do you think, Mr. Ali?
I think the story of fascinating. Animated adventure films are considered to present an exciting and not boring story. The imagination of audience will be involved in every scene. Apart from that, from the film that we want to present, we can also learn lessons from the various toughness, not easily discouraged, and the need for cooperation in the mastery effort.
Yes, Upin and Ipin the movie has been made as interesting and innovative as possible. It is hoped that this film will be liked and watched by many people in Indonesia.
I heard that film had been screened in Vietnam. Is it true?
Yes, that's right. The film had previously been screened in Vietnam and received a good reception. We have the same hope in Indonesia as the biggest fan of Upin and Ipin animation.
We also hope that this film will create a different feel, and this collaboration will bring MNC Picture to the forefront in presenting the quality content. How about the budget and income we get from screening this film?
Okay, let me show you the budget. The budget that we spent on making this film is around 68 billion rupiah, and the income we offer to your company is about 30% of the income we get. How about it?
We want 50% of the income you earn. Because Indonesia is the biggest fan of Upin and Ipin, the income from screening the film also must be high. This has been seen from the screening of Upin and Ipin on TV.
If 50% is too high for us, we haven't gotten the company's profit yet because the budget we spent is also high so that the result of the film can be perfect. How about 40%?
Can it go up a bit, Mrs. Alvina? Seeing the enthusiasm of Indonesian people about animated film, it seems that the profit earned is also greater. How about 40%?
We have calculated this advantage.
Okay, we agree. 40% of the income you earn.
Okay, deal.
Well, we have discussed the budget. In terms of screening, where will it be screened?
For Jakarta City, the film can be shown in 13 cinemas. This film can also be shown in various cinemas from Sumatra to Papua Island. When can films start showing in Indonesia cinemas?
We agree with that. The plan, this film will be shown on May 9th simultaneously in Indonesia cinemas. How about it?
Yes, I agree with your plan.
Yes, this will be a new color in Indonesia cinema today.
Okay then, for today's agreements, our companies agree to cooperate with Les Copec Production, with the result that Les Copec Production will provide 40% of the revenue earned from screening Upin and Ipin the movie, Keris Yamang Tunggal, in Indonesia cinemas. Film screening in 13 cinemas for the Jakarta city and all cinemas on the island from Sumatra to Papua, and will be shown on May 9 stimulationally in Indonesia cinemas.
Hopefully, we can work together and we will continue to try our best for the overall smoothness so that what we want from this agreement can run as we wish.
We also expect that the signing of this agreement will be carried out tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. this place again. Do you agree?
Yes, I agree,
Yes.
sir.
I'm sorry, but at the time I have another event that I should attend. Can we change the time?
Mrs. Anida, when you have time?
How about if we postpone the time around 3 hours, sir?
All right, Miss Sanida at 1 p.m. What about the others?
Yes, I can, sir.
So do I, sir.
All right, I think that is all for today's meeting. Before I close meeting, I would like to thank the representative of Les Copec Production who are willing to take time to attend this meeting, and thank you, Mr. Pisas, who has accompanied me in this meeting. Good afternoon and have a great day.
Good afternoon, sir. Thank
Good
you.
Good
afternoon,
afternoon, sir.
sir.
Thank you.